let me show you how this looks inside of VR. So I'm going to go into Blender with my headset, and you'll be able to see what I'm seeing. So basically, you come in right here. This is where you will spawn in at. And we've got artist artwork on the wall right there. We've got spots to sit, and these hallways. This hallway over on this pathway on the right takes us to the studio, and on the left we go up the stairs. Let's take a look at camera 2 over a little closer to the wall. Lobby camera 2. So now you can see that artwork right there. Let's go to the booth. So this is the booth, and the recording studio is back on that side. So here we're in the recording studio. So here we are. Some seating for guests. And once again, this is community center. This is for everyone to use.